Hi everyone, this is Julie with Third Coast Coach, here today with a tip on sustainability. So today I want to talk about Cleaner, disinfecting cleaner, and this is actually a recipe I want to share with you that I started using when the pandemic hit and I could not get store-bought cleaner. So it is alcohol based and it is disinfecting, but it's not isopropyl alcohol based, and there's a couple reasons for that. When I went to go make an alcohol based cleaner, and I actually started this out trying to make a hand sanitizer, I couldn't find isopropyl alcohol that wasn't packaged in plastic. And then I started looking into it and I realized that isopropyl alcohol is a byproduct of the oil and gas industry, which is not highly sustainable. So I started to research what other options there were, and I found grain alcohol. So grain alcohol works just as well to sanitize and clean, but you need to have very high alcohol content type of alcohol. And what I found to work really good is Everclear. So this is actually 95% alcohol by volume, so it's very strong. And in the recipe that I make, the CDC actually recommends, I believe it's 60% alcohol in your cleaner or your hand sanitizer. So actually we have to go up a little higher than 60% because the alcohol is only 95% alcohol by volume. So it's somewhere between 60 and 70%. But what I do is I just go ahead and go up to 80 just to be on the safe side. And my recipe is 80% alcohol, 20% vinegar, and then essential oil drops. So this is very similar to my hand sanitizer if you've seen that video. The only difference is the hand sanitizer has aloe for conditioning and then it doesn't have the vinegar, but it's basically the same recipe, 80% alcohol, and then it has the aloe and then the essential oils. So what I do is I just get a bottle, and this is actually an old vinegar bottle that I repurposed, and I kind of gauge where the 80% is by determining where the halfway point is, and then I look and I see the halfway of the remaining, which is 75%, and then I go a little above it. And actually, because of the kind of bottle I use, the top is narrower than the bottom, so I'm actually probably doing more than 80%. I'm probably doing more like 85%, but that's okay. And then I fill up the remainder of the bottle with vinegar, and then I use my essential oils. So I just use plain distilled white vinegar and add that to the alcohol. And then you can also add your essential oils for your scent. And really what type of oil you use is personal preference, what you like the best. What I have found though that I like and that I think works good with the alcohol and the vinegar and even in the hand sanitizer with the aloe is lemongrass. And then also there's a blend out there called Cheer Up Buttercup. That one works really good. And sometimes I mix the two, the Cheer Up Buttercup and the lemongrass. And interestingly enough, when I do that in my hand sanitizer, and to some degree the cleaner, but mostly the hand sanitizer, it smells like Pez. So it's kind of weird, but it smells really good. So I do recommend lemongrass and Cheer Up Buttercup. Okay, so this is going to be a very strong cleaner. So you want to be very careful with it. Make sure that it's kept up away from children and that your pets can't get into it, especially if you're reusing a bottle and you don't have a safety cap on it. Make sure this stuff is put up, okay? So be safe and be smart. Also, use it in a well-ventilated area. It is very strong. And test your surfaces before using it if you've never used a cleaner like this on your surfaces. So you wouldn't want to damage or ruin any of your surfaces because it is a pretty strong cleaner. So that was it for your quick tip today. I hope that was helpful. I hope it inspired you. I hope you learned something. And as always, I wish you much luck in all of the good that you do and in all of the positive changes you make in your life. Thank you for watching today. Bye. Have a good day.